In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule messages in Slack. This is a handy feature for those of us who want to organize our communication more effectively, sending out messages at the ideal time for optimal engagement, even if that means scheduling them for later. First, let's navigate to Slack. Open the Slack application on your desktop or mobile device. You'll be directed to your workspace where you can access all your channels and direct messages. If you aren't already logged in, just enter your credentials to access your workspace. Logging in is essential because without it, you won't be able to access the features we're covering today. Now that you're in Slack, identify the channel where you want to schedule your message. It could be a team channel or a direct message to a colleague. Click on it to start drafting your message. In the message input box at the bottom of the screen, begin typing your message. It could be a reminder for a meeting, an update on a project, or any other communication you need to send out. Make sure your message is clear and concise to avoid any confusion when it's finally sent. After crafting your message, you'll see a small icon that looks like a drop-down arrow just next to the send button. This icon is key to scheduling your message. Click on this drop-down arrow and you'll see a set of options pop up. These options allow you to choose when you want your message to be sent. The default scheduling option you'll see is likely tomorrow at 9 a.m. This is a straightforward choice provided by Slack. If this time works for you, simply click on it. However, if you prefer a different time or day, you can adjust these settings by selecting a different time frame from the options available in the drop-down menu. Perhaps there is a specific date and time when your message would have the most impact, and scheduling it accordingly is an advantage Slack offers. Once you've picked the time slot that suits your needs, click on it and your message is now scheduled. You'll be able to see that the message is scheduled by checking the details in the channel or conversation. Slack will send it out at the exact time you have specified, ensuring that your communication is timely and relevant. To recap, scheduling messages gives you control over when your communications go out, allowing you to plan and organize your team interactions effectively. By understanding and utilizing this feature, you can optimize your communications for maximum impact. So next time you find yourself drafting a message in Slack, consider the benefits of scheduling it for later. Happy messaging!